Hi, welcome to Easy and Delicious Food. Today I'm making udon noodles with curry, katsu curry in this case. The ingredients are 500 grams of chicken breasts cut into cubes, 2 to 3 medium-sized carrots, 2 medium-sized potatoes, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 100 grams of katsu curry sauce, udon noodles, 700 milliliters of hot water. I'm using chicken breast, but you can use boneless chicken thighs if you like. Also, I always use a mini chopper for my onions, as I find the finer the onions, the thicker the sauce. If you don't have a mini chopper, then that's fine. Just cut the onions as finely as you can with a knife. You will see how easy this dish is. I'm not coating the chicken in breadcrumbs, as this is a much quicker recipe and just as delicious. Give it a try. To begin, you need a pot with high sides, so let's start cooking. This is so delicious. You don't have to take my word for it. You've got to try this. Please remember to like and subscribe for more amazing recipes.